Hey you beauties, back with another look. Super gorgeous, super easy. Let's begin without wasting time. The first product is my foundation by Huda Beauty along with the magical body oil by Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Basically, I mixed it well with the foundation. The palette that I used today is Tom Ford Soleil Eyes and Cheek Palette 04 Violet Argentée. The first shade that I picked from the palette goes right in the middle towards the inner corner of the lid with a flat brush. Tapping the brush little by little with the shade. The next shade is this gorgeous brown that goes right on the outer corner and blend it into the crease line using a blending brush, extending it to the middle of the eyelid. Keep blending it until the shades merge well. This shade is the star of this look. Absolutely gorgeous violet that this palette has. It's not very dark once you apply, hence you need to keep adding the shade if you need it darker. Apply it just right in the middle of the lids and merge it well with the outer corner shade. Going back with the brown just to darken the outer corner. Then adding the pink from the palette right next to the violet. I use my finger to apply the shade and then I use the brush. And then using the blending brush, I'm going very light on the crease line, mainly concentrating on the outer corner and lightly blending it towards the middle, leaving the inner corner. To highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I use the lightest shade from the palette. For the lower lashes, I use the violet first, starting from the middle going upwards, connecting it well with the upper shades. And then taking the pink, I'm going from the inner corner, going to the middle, connecting it with the violet. Then blend it well. I use the lower lash line smudging brush. To fill the waterline, I use white soft kaujal pencil. Then using the two light shades from the palette to highlight the tear duct area. The mascara I use today is YSL Lash Color. And then eyeliner I use is Revlon Color Stay in Black. Not drawing any wing, just going over the false lashes, as you can see, just like that. And then using the brown from the palette, I'm going over the liner and basically making it less black. You may leave this step if you wish to. The concealer I use today is YSL to brighten the area under my eyes, chin, bridge off my nose, the middle of my forehead, blend it well into the skin using a beauty blender. I used a bronzer by Hourglass and the shade is Ambient. Going well on the areas that needs to look warm and sculpted. The blush is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I forgot to add some loose powder over the concealer. Please don't forget this step as this helps to prevent creasing. The highlighter is Laura Mercier. For the lips, I used L'Oreal lip paint and the shade is 102 Darling Pink. And then using a tissue, I'm just going to clean the excess lip shade that I have on the lips. And then over that, I'm using Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips, just to give that natural look on the lips. This is amazing together. Can see, this is how this looks. It's so beautiful. I really love the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I loved creating this for you. Stay tuned and keep watching my videos, keep subscribing, and keep all your comments coming in. I will surely reply to all of them like I have always done. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.